If you are the kind of YouTuber that publish video every single day, you will observe that you doing YouTube SEO for each of your video is very time consuming. Do you know that I can actually show you how you can use AI to do the YouTube SEO and be able to run more faster? So I'm going to be doing SEO for this particular video, which is about video to text converter. So this is my main keyword. So I'm going to copy this main keyword, then come over to YouTube to see some of what my competitor are doing. So because like on YouTube, you just have to follow what is working. So I'm going to type in this particular keyword, video to text converter. So as you can see, this particular video, it was published 1 month ago, and it has have like 3,700 views. So I believe if I should use that title is not bad. So I'm actually going to copy what they are doing. So I'm going to copy the title, how to convert video to text. So that is the main keyword. So I'm going to copy the title, then change it over here. So I have to convert video to text. So let me find other ideas from the other creators. So as you can see, this one said video to text converter free. So I believe what you actually use in the video is actually free, because we always use author.ai to do the conversion. So I'm going to click on choose this free to actually make sure I have much click-through rate. So I'm going to try to add free from here, like how to convert video to text. So free, no limit, and no limit video. Okay, so let me try to remove this, then find ideas from the title. So because, okay, transcribe any video to text fast. So let me find other ideas. So, okay, let me use this one. So I'm going to use this one, convert. So it's more of like other keywords, free to text. So I'm going to copy it, then actually, paste this title. So I have my title. My final title is how to convert video to text free. Like, let me remove this. Then free, like let's say free video to text. So these are the keywords I'm actually targeting. So I'm actually front loading this keyword so that I should be able to run more faster on YouTube. So I'm going to copy this title. So this is my title. Another important thing we need for our YouTube SEO is our description. Description is very, very important. And also tag. Tag is very important, but it doesn't really affect your ranking. So what's actually important is your thumbnail, your title, and your description. So we are going to use AI for this particular purpose, because if you start to be writing content about the description, it might take us longer period of time. So one important thing we have to do is to come to the YouTube, then you can actually copy their tag. The video that have been performing well, we can actually click on it to show us the tag that they are using, so that I'll be able to use it to rank very well on Google. So I'm going to pause this video to actually copy their tag and actually optimize for the video. So I'm going to find, if you actually install vidIQ or TubeBuddy, you can actually see their tag easily and be able to copy it. So as you can see, this particular YouTuber actually use a lot of tag over here. So we can easily copy this tag. So we have to copy it, then come over to our YouTube video. So come over to our YouTube video, then scroll down to be able to paste this tag to our YouTube video. So as you can see, we have the tag already. So as you can see, there are a lot of tag over here. So convert video to text. So those are the tags that are available. So what we have to do now to actually make sure we have our description, because we don't want to start writing ourselves, you have to use AI. So you can actually use vidIQ to do this. We are going to click on generate AI. So let's click on it to generate. So we can actually copy our title over here, copy our title, then paste this keyword, and this AI is going to generate the title for us. But the problem is the title is generating for us is very, very small, and we can't easily rank for this particular keyword. So I'm going to recommend this particular tool for you, which is called gratifywrite.com. So this particular AI tool allow you to do a lot of things. So you can actually sign up for free. It doesn't require you to pay money. I'm going to drop the link to Gratify AI inside the video description if you want to try them out. So let's assume that you want to try them out. All you have to do is to click on start writing for free, and you'll be able to log in with your email or your Gmail and start using the platform. So as you can see, all you have to do is to enter your name, your email, your password, and create an account with them. But I already have an account with Gratify.ai, so all I have to do is to click on login over here to be able to actually start showing you how you can use Gratify AI to do your YouTube SEO. So I'm going to click on login and show you. If you're actually liking this video so far, please ensure you give this video thumbs up so that it actually encourage me to produce more content like this. So from this particular tool, Gratify, right, there are a lot of tools you can actually use. So we are going to find YouTube tools from here. So this is YouTube tools. So you can do YouTube script creator, YouTube thumbnail and title, YouTube script, the YouTube description and tag. So this is what we actually want. And if you want to actually do YouTube timestamp, maybe you want chapter for your video, you can actually use the tool to do it. I'll actually make video about it. I'm going to drop it inside the video description for you to watch. So but what we actually concern is description and tag. So we are going to click on it, click on description and tag to actually use Gratify Writer to do it. So I'm going to click off. So this is the interface for us to actually do our description and tag for our video. So what we are going to do now is to actually come to our video. So this is what we are going to need. This is the title. We are going to need the title. So all we have to do is to copy the title, then come to Gratify Writer. So we are going to paste it, then come over to the tag we copy from one of the videos that have been ranking. So we are going to copy this tag, then come over to gratifywriter.ai. So we are going to paste this title. So we are going to paste it so that it will actually generate content like YouTube description for us. So we are going to click on create content, and this particular AI tool will do the description for us, and it's going to actually make sure that all the keywords in our tag is actually optimized in the title, in the description. So as you can see in this video, I will show you how to convert video to text for free using a reliable video to text. As you can see, it's more of like repeating some of the tag or some of the keyword that we can potentially rank for. So all we have to do is to copy this tag, copy this description, then come over to our video, then actually paste this, paste it over here. So we are going to paste it. Then we have if you check vidIQ, you will know that we actually have our SEO score to be more higher. So I'm going to show you. So all I have to do is to actually, maybe I'm going to delete this video description, make sure that it actually fits in with what you actually want. So I'm going to save this particular video. So as you can see, we actually have most of our keywords in the title. As you can see, how to convert video to text for free. So, and this is, if we actually copy, let's copy it to show you what we actually want to do. So I'm going to copy it, then click on search, like Ctrl F, then paste the keyword. So as you can see, how to copy, like convert video to text, it's actually here. So, and there are a lot of it's actually more than 4 or 5 times inside our video description. So what this means is the fact that whenever someone actually search for this particular keyword, video to text converter, there's high probability that we are going to rank more faster on YouTube and be able to get more views. So if you actually want to try out gratifywriter.com, I'm going to drop the link inside the video description for you to actually try out. So I hope this video actually help you one way or the other. If you do, kindly give this video thumbs up and actually subscribe so that we see more video like this on my channel. Thanks. I will see you in my next video.